Welcome to this Canva website design tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you a complete website that will be together step by step. We will explore the website layout, the content, and how to organize it into clear sections. I'll show you how to add content, add links, upload and place your logo, and even animate elements to make your site more engaging. We'll go beyond the basics by creating multiple pages, adding a contact form, and building a navigation menu so visitors can move around easily. You also learn how to set a favicon to brand your website, make sure it's mobile friendly, and finally publish it online. The best part is, Canva gives you free hosting so your website can go live without extra cost. So if you're ready to design a professional interactive website in Canva, let's get started. Now, there are two main ways you can design a website in Canva. You can build from scratch or start with a template. You can begin with a blank canvas and create everything yourself. Start by adding a background, then build sections, divide them into columns, and place your text. Choose fonts, drop in images, your logo, and keep adding sections until your website takes shape. This gives you full creative control. Every detail is yours to decide. Or you can start with a ready-made template. Canva offers thousands of free website templates across categories like business, portfolio, and personal websites. These are designed by professionals, so you don't have to worry about starting from zero or ending up with something that looks unpolished. You can edit your elements, whether it's text, images, colors, and make everything completely your own. Both methods work, but if you want to save time and make sure you get a polished design, I recommend starting with a template. It's the easier way to get a professional looking website quickly while still customizing it to fit your brand. So in this tutorial, we are going to pick a template and walk through how to make it your own. Go to the Templates tab and select Website to see Canva's website templates. You can choose your style from the drop-down or type directly into the search box. I will type business website. Let's browse through the templates. I like this one. Click to preview it. And as you can see, this is a one-page template. So if you like it too, click Customize this template to load it and start editing. The template is divided into sections. Each section is made up of images, text, and is divided into columns. Select any section, and on the left, you see these icons. You can delete, duplicate, hide, add sections, or move the section up or down. This helps you reorder the layout easily. And as you can see, every element is editable. This is why it's important to start with a template that already has the structure you need. Instead of building major elements from scratch, you only have to customize the text, the fonts, logos, and images, saving time while still ending up with a professional website. So let's customize this template. Select this column background and change the color. Edit the placeholder text. Just select the content and replace it with your own content. If you don't like the font, then change it. For business websites, I like Montserrat or Open Sans font because they look professional. I'm going to change the font to Open Sans and apply it to the whole page. Make sure subtitles and titles are medium to bold, while the body text is regular. Upload your logo, resize it, delete the placeholder logo, then place your logo. Next, replace images. Go to Photos and search for one that fits, then replace it. For the second section, select the background. Let's make it near black. The button, let's make it the same near black. I like to limit the overall colors to a maximum of 3. Edit the placeholder text. And then add an image. The top section, make the button brown. Do the same for the rest of the sections. Change the background color, replace the text, the images, and the color of the buttons. Any sections you don't want, you can simply select the section and click on the delete button to delete it. Take a look at the site and you see it looks better already. Now, if you want to add more sections, you can either add a new empty section or duplicate any of the existing sections and then delete the content. Now, inside the section, you can insert text or copy content from other sections and paste it. Then organize everything into columns. Let's resize the text box and then add an image to the side. Or you can create a 3-column layout with images side by side. You can also make a 3-column text layout if that is what you want. One more time, take a look at the website and you can see it's good. This one-page template already includes everything you need about your business, services, testimonials, social media links, email contact, and so on. But if you want more pages, you can add them and link them together through the navigation menu. Let's say you want a dedicated contact page. Add a new page, then go to template, search for contact templates, and add one to the page. On the page, delete the placeholder text, and let's add a form. Go to Elements, Forms, select any form type and add it to the left column. Adjust the colors to match your site. And you can also replace the image on the right. To customize the form, click Edit in the toolbar. You can set fields as required or make it optional. You can set up everything just the way you want it, but you need to know that collecting responses is only available to pro users. You can add more pages if needed. For now, we are going to stick with the 2 pages. To keep track of pages, rename them. You can do that easily in Grid View. Click the pencil icon under each page and rename the page. Then close Grid View. Next, add links and link pages with buttons. So right-click on any text or buttons you want to link, then select Link, then enter a link or select a page or section. Then link the buttons to the contact page by selecting the page and then click Done. You can also link to external pages by adding the external link. Do the same for other buttons and also the social media icons. To add animations, click Animate at the top. Then choose any effect you want. The animations can be applied to all sections. Once you are finished, at the top, click Preview in the toolbar and then test the links and buttons. And make sure that Resize for Mobile is enabled so that your website automatically adjusts to smaller screens. Also make sure to check Include Navigation Menu so that visitors see a clean menu at the top of your website. This makes your website easy to navigate both on desktop and mobile. If you are satisfied with your design, click Publish Website. Then on the right, you will see both the desktop and mobile preview, so you can double check how your website looks. By default, Canva gives you a free subdomain. Your website address will include your Canva username. This is the only free option. If you want a custom domain, you need a Canva Pro account. With a Pro account, you can either connect a domain you already own, or you can buy one directly through Canva. Canva will provide DNS instructions and steps to connect your custom domain to your website. If you want to learn more about setting up a custom domain, check out my other tutorial. I'll put a link in the description. Here, you can add a subpart to separate multiple websites. Then go to Settings, here to add a title and a favicon. You can also check any of these, enable search engine visibility or password protection. Check navigation menus and mobile resizing. Next, click on the Pages tab, and here you can add the web page description, once done, click Continue to publish, and your website is now live. You can check the layout, the sections, the contents, the links, make sure everything is working fine and looks exactly the way you want. Since we are using a template, make sure you rename the template so you can always come back to it at any time. So you can see this website looks good. At the bottom, you can see Canva's footer branding and policies. This is because we are using the free account and we are publishing on the Canva subdomain. To remove them, you need a Pro account and you also need a custom domain. A Pro account also allows you to unlock analytics, where you can view the traffic, the source of traffic, and the number of clicks you get. So this looks good and anyone can design it easily in Canva. And that's how to create a simple website using Canva. So don't forget to check out the other tutorial on how to add a custom domain if you're a Pro user. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.